Welcome to the online class of English Grammar for Grade 4. Here I am teacher Mr. Sanaullah. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be okay. Today we are going to do some new lessons about possessive pronouns on page number 91 and 92. First of all, we will do some exercise on page number 91. You will read each sentence and rewrite the underlined word or words using a possessive pronoun or a possessive pronoun and a noun. Our question number 1, I am going to read, my uncle's ranch is in Texas. Now the words my uncle's can be substituted or replaced with a suitable pronoun his. Okay, the word his will be our answer, which you will write on the line. If you read the sentence with his, then it will have the same meaning as the question number 1 gives you. Okay, his ranch is in Texas or my uncle's ranch is in Texas. Both are same in meaning. Nothing is difference. Number 2, I left the book that belongs to me at home. Now all the underlined words, the book that belongs to me, can be summarized or substituted with my book. I left my book at home. Your answer will be only my book. I left my book at home. Please write only 2 words, my book, as your answer for question number 2 of page 91. Lisa's telephone is broken. Now you can write her as a suitable pronoun. Her telephone is broken. Or you can say Lisa's telephone is broken, the same meaning. The word her will be the answer for number 3. Number 4, the mechanic said that the car's wheels are brand new. Here our answer will be its. Its is a good pronoun here. Number 5, the bedroom that belongs to you and me needs to be cleaned. Now all the words which have been underlined in question number 5 will have the answer our bedroom. Only these 2 words, our bedroom, will be the answer for number 5. Now read the sentence with 2 words, then it will have the same meaning. Our bedroom needs to be cleaned. The words our bedroom will be the answer for question number 5. Because it was written in the question statement, you have to write a suitable possessive pronoun and a noun as well. Now our is a pronoun, bedroom is a noun. Number 6, we watched a tiger's cubs as they played. Now here our answer will be its. Number 7, may I borrow the necklace that belongs to you? Now you can replace all the underlined words with your necklace. Your necklace will be the answer for question number 7. Now read the sentence with these 2 words, then it will have the same sense. May I borrow your necklace? Let's go to our question number 8 on page 91. May and Lucy's parrot says hello. Now the words May and Lucy's can be replaced with their. T-H-E-I-R. There will be the answer for our question number 8. Number 9. The foot that belongs to me is hurting. The foot that belongs to me is hurting. The words my foot will be the answer in question number 9. And the last one, the woman's dream was to become a lawyer. The word her will be the answer for question number 10. Please write her on the line. Now we are going to do some work on page number 92. You will circle the correct possessive pronoun in parentheses to complete the sentence, then rewrite the sentence on the line. If you remember your previous lectures where I have told you some some pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, they. So every pronoun has an objective case. For I, there is an objective case me. For we, us, you, he, him, she, her, they, them. But actually we are going to do some work about possessive pronouns. You can say mine for I, ours for we, yours for you, his for he, hers for she, theirs for they. Here are some examples which will give you more elaboration for the topic. This is my pen. This sentence has 4 words. This is my pen. If you want to shorten the sentence, you can say this is mine. Now the word mine is a stand-alone possessive pronoun. If you will say this is mine pen, then it will be wrong. Or you can say this pen is mine. Even then the sentence will be 100% fine. Another example, he took your book. Now you will not say he took yours. You will say he took yours. Let's come to our exercise on page 92. Are these beautiful paintings your or yours? This is our question number 1. Here the correct pronoun is yours. You will circle yours and rewrite the answer in a complete sentence. Are these beautiful paintings yours? Number 2. I think that this skateboard is his. I think that this skateboard is his. You will circle his. Number 3. I do not know what I want for my birthday. Here you will circle my. I do not know what I want for my birthday. Number 4. This is hers and that is yours. This is hers and that is yours. You will circle 2 stand-alone possessive pronouns, hers and yours, in this sentence, and then rewrite the sentence with correct spellings. This is hers and that is yours. Number 5. I took their blankets back in the morning. Please circle the word there, their, and rewrite the sentence with correct spellings. I took their blankets back in the morning. Number 6. I will watch your dog if you watch mine. You will circle mine. It is a stand-alone possessive pronoun. I will watch your dog if you watch mine. My dear students, we have done 2 pages, page number 101 and 102. What is your homework? You will revise these exercises. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with new lessons. Thank you very much.